mount the motor on the motor stand, we're going to go ahead and remove the flex plate. There's 8 17mm bolts. There's a little hole in this front plate that lines up with a little hole on the flex plate. I used this when I tore down the pick apart motor, which is the exact same 3.5 liter EGG engine. So this should already be in a suitable position. And then for these lower two here, I've actually been borrowing my steering linkage bolts, but you really should get the proper hardware. That was easy. There's a learning curve.